After being many years in very much a desert environment, Bali just gave us the green space that we needed. So, but prior to us coming, and we were in the Middle East, and this location, we knew we didn't want to live in a very busy part of Bali. So this gave us the opportunity to be 10 minutes away from restaurants and everything that we like to do, but also then give us our privacy. So yeah, so that's why sort of Nyanyi. We looked and looked and looked, and then I saw what Manuele had done through his portfolio, and I knew then that he would understand what we wanted to create, which was spaces that gave us many different areas for the family together, but also many areas to have your own space.
Jacqueline arrived in the office one day and with a lot of passion come in the office and show that want to build his own residence, private residence. So it's totally different when we design commercial villa and a private residence. So it immediately show me all their idea, a beautiful land that they purchased in close to Pantai Nyanyi, so one still untouched place in Bali, and really want to build his own dream villa. Dream villa not to show off or to show to anyone what she's doing, but just really like a cocoon for her and his husband, just to get really like a nice place in Bali.
I like to go swimming, hence why the pool's about 25 meters long. So that is an everyday. That is my de-stress, the pool.
It's quite out of the standard, I would say. So we have ceiling that is more than 3.6 meters, and we have like a double height that is 8 meters. So as you know, we work a lot with tropical architecture, and the cross ventilation is one of the key elements when we design. This is quite important when we are facing the sun, so sunrise and sunset. So this one is really beautiful, but we need to also protect the villa from this element, and at the same time also giving a big volume. Let bring a lot of light. As you can see, this house is so bright and have a beautiful view on the rice field.
I met Jacqueline about 2 years ago when she's just moving to Bali, and then she said to me that I need some furniture for my villa. So she gave me a drawing, we just worked together to supply for this villa. We got big suppliers for the wood, the raw material itself, and then for other stuff like fabrics, we got high quality fabric suppliers that mostly, there are a few one that is imported from Italy and the ones that is local, everything that is handmade.
We have bedrooms. There are 3 master bedrooms, so all ensuited. One of them has a walk-in wardrobe closet area as well as a lounge area. One of them has a very big open plan bedroom, but then has an adjacent balcony that is quite large. So again, for when guests come, they have their own space. And then we have a 3rd bedroom as well that is ensuited again, a little bit smaller, but yeah, it's still very efficient.
I'm really happy, really happy. As you can see, the house is calm. That is what really the client need.
It's been a great experience working with this villa.
When I'm in the villa, very peaceful. So even on a hectic day, even when my work is very intense, I can still be sitting in my office and look out the window and still feel calm, even though I'm in what would normally be if I was in an office somewhere in a much different mental state. But yeah, so it's just great for me.